Hello, all. How are you? Today, I thought that this particular topic is difficult for all students, so thought to make explanatory video regarding this. Now, the topic here I chose today is class 10, Maths 1, lesson number 1, that is linear equation in two variable. Practice it 1.2, question number 2. Now, this is the question for this equations will come in this way, that is solve this equations graphically or solve the given equations graphically. Now how to solve the equations graphically? Now first what you have to take, you have to consider these two equations separately and you have to take some values for the equations. Now see here particularly x plus y, I have taken the first equation. I have taken x value as 0, so I put here in this equation x is equal to 0, so 0 plus y is equal to 6. The value of y I got as 6. This is imaginary value. Assumption we can take anything 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, any value you can take. But as per my advice, you should take 0, 1, 2 or -1, -2 so that your graph will be in the limited region. If you take beyond 9, see in graph we don't have much more or beyond 9, 10, 11, 12, these figures we don't have. So try to take the minimalist values. Mainly you should take first value 0, another value as 1, another value as 2. So the equation values will come automatically easier and it will be easier for you to plot it on the graph. Now second, moving back to the equation, second value I have taken as x is equal to 2. I put the 2 over here. So x 2 plus y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 minus 2, that is y is equal to 4. Third value I have taken as 6, x is equal to 6. 6 plus y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 minus 6. Y is equal to 0. So this values I got and I have put it in the proper table. Now see how to put it in the table. First you have to write the equation x plus y is equal to 6. Make 4 columns. First will be x, y and then xy. Then whatever the values here you got. See here for example I have taken as x is equal to 0 and for that value y is equal to 6. So how will I write? X is 0, y is 6 and together we have to write always the value of x plus y second. So 0, 6. Second value is 2 and 4. So here I mentioned 2 and 4. So first x value second. And the third equation I got 6 and 0. So I mentioned it like that. The same way I have solved the another equation x value 0, y I got, see here 0 minus y is equal to 4. Y minus, y is minus. So sign of the y will go to 4 and y will be equal to minus 4. Now x is equal to 4 and then 4 minus y is equal to 4. Y minus y is equal to 4 minus 4, 0. Minus y will be equal to 0. 0 do not have any sign. So y will be equal to 0 only. Like this, as the minus sign went here, minus sign will not go here. Got it? Because 0 will not be having any sign. Now the third part I got is x is equal to 2. When I took that, I got y will be equal to minus y will be equal to 2 and y will be equal to minus 2. So the same way as I did the first one, I put the values x is equal to 0 and 0 and minus 4 and then y is equal to 4 and 0 and then x is equal to 2 and minus 2. So these are the values I got. Now see how to plot it graphically. Graph carries your half of the marks of the question. So you need to plot the graph very properly and meticulously. First, scale is very important. Scale carries the marks. If you fail to write the scale, you will not get the marks will be deducted. So how to write the scale? Scale x-axis. What are x-axis? X-axis we have taken. See 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So 1 centimeter 1 unit. Y-axis 1 centimeter. This only part you have to write. X-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Now see how I have plotted the graph. Exactly around in the center I have drawn the line, if you can see, and I have divided this full graph page into 4 parts or 4 quadrants. Quadrants we have already studied last year. So I have drawn or divided the graph into 4 quadrants. Now, plotting the numbers. See, first we'll be starting from 0. Right side numbers are positive. That is, you have to write here x. Again, upside numbers are also positive. You have to write here y. Left side numbers are negative. You have to write here. You can write x dash if you want. This is actually x dash. And here you can write y dash. Okay. Now, so right hand side and upper numbers are positive and left hand side and down numbers are negative. Remember this. This is very easy. After that, see what the first I got in the first equation, 0 and 6. So x-axis 0, y-axis 6. X-axis 0, y 6. So how to put x0 and y6? x0, so it will be on this line, x0 and y6. So 0 is here, y6. So here my first point will come. That is, you can write the point number if you want. That is 0 and 6. Second line, second number is 2 and 4. 2 on the x-axis. Where is the 2 on the x-axis? Here. 2 on the x-axis. Go straight. 4 on the y-axis. So 4 on the y-axis will give you this point here. So this will be 2 and 4. The third point here, if you see, it is 6 and 0. Now 6 and 0. 6 on the x-axis. 6 on the x-axis and 0 on the y-axis. So this is point number 6 and 0. I got these 3 points. Draw a line going through all the 3 points and write the equation name over it. That is x plus y is equal to 6. This is the equation name. Now after that, the another point if you see, that is xy 0 and minus 4. So 0 on the x-axis and y on the y-axis. Minus 4 on the y-axis. 0. See here. This. So this point is particularly 0 and minus 4. Minus 4 on the y-axis. Then next is x4 and y0. X is 4 and y0. This one. So here write 4 and 0. Then next is 2 and minus 2. See 2. Draw the line. Here 2 and minus 2. So here it will be this point, that is 2 and minus 2. So that way again you draw the line going all the 3 points. It is x minus y is equal to 4. Now after drawing both the lines, you will find both the lines meet somewhere. The coordinates will be 5 and 1. Can you see? These lines are meeting over here. And this point is nothing but x-axis 5, y-axis 1. So these two lines, these 2 points meet at this. And this is nothing but the solution of the equation, that is 5 and 1.